push from the bottom, and it also comes with some nice plastic coating on the side here. So that is a good thing for the protection of it. So I'm glad I did that. I didn't just go from the top and risk ruining everything. Anyway, I've been told that if you are intelligent, you can put this in the sun and it will improve the fluffiness of the whole thing. So I will do that. And just in case you guys wanted to read the instructions, I'm going to let you guys read them. And this is probably part 3 of the video already. So what it says is, how can I make Pampas fluffy? All right, so it says, each stem will already be fluffy upon arrival. However, they will be compressed due to shipping, right? For the reason of shipping. For optimal fluffiness, remove Pampas carefully from the cotton or carton box and shake outside to
Likey